Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala commands the Muslims to offer the prayers in congregation, to engage in a congregational prayer. Now, there are numerous benefits of praying in congregation as compared to, for instance, let's take an example, as compared to offering the prayer on our own. Offering prayers in congregation is 27 times more rewarding as compared to offering prayers on your own, all alone. Now, Sayyidi Shaykh Muhammad Mohsin Yusufi states that another benefit of offering the congregational prayer is that it is equally possible that the person who offers the prayers alone, his prayer might not be accepted. But when he is offering that prayer in congregation along with others, it might be possible that there is a beloved of Allah also there present with him in the congregation offering his prayers as well. So it might be the case that Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala accepts the prayers of all others for the sake of that beloved of his. This is another account to take consideration of. Then another benefit is that the person who offers the prayers in congregation, no one will allege that this person does not offer prayers. Why? Because he will see and everyone will know that this person comes out and in the state of congregation, in the congregational prayer, he offers his prayers. So this is another benefit. Another benefit is when the Muslims will gather to offer the prayers in congregation, they will build relationships. And that will eventually construe in a healthier society, in the overall welfare and betterment of the society. It will interpret in a caring and a healthy society. Now, as per another narration, it is Hazrat Ibn Masud and Hazrat Abu Musa Ashri radiallahu ta'ala anhum. They said, as per them, offering prayers in congregation is farz al-ain, a must. And as per another narration, it is sunnat-e muakkada. It is a voluntary act of worship which the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, performed. And Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala states that Imam Muslim narrates. So it has been narrated by Imam Muslim that Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala has said this, that a blind person once came to the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. A blind person once came to the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, someone who could not see. And he humbly said to the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, O Prophet of Allah, O Prophet of Allah, there is no such person who could take me to the mosque. And hence he seeked permission to offer his prayers while not in congregation, at home. So he said that there is no person to take me to the mosque, so I could offer my congregation prayers. Therefore, O Prophet of Allah, allow me, grant me the permission to offer my prayers at home. Now this person was a blind person. He could not see yet. At first the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, did grant him permission. But when he left, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, asked someone to call him back. And when he came back, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, inquired from that person, do you listen to the voice of azan? Do you listen to the call of prayer? He replied in the affirmative. Then the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, then go for prayers. Then go for prayers. That is, if you listen to the call of prayer, if you listen to azan, go for the congregational prayer. This highlights the importance and significance of offering the prayers in congregation, which the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, instructed us as well. So, this is the importance. Now, Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiallahu ta'ala states that the person whoso wishes that tomorrow he meets Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala in the state of Islam as Muslim, what he should do is that when he listens to the azan, when he listens to the call of prayer, he should safeguard the prayers. How? He should offer them in congregation. That is the concept here. So if we offer the prayers in our homes all alone, then another thing to understand is that then we are not acting in accordance with the blessed sunnah of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Because the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, used to offer the prayers in congregation, and secondly, he used to explicitly command and instruct his followers, his companions, blessed companions, to offer the prayers in congregation.